Odoo Accounting tutorial and review. So pretty much all you have to do to get an Odoo account is to just install either the app or you can just use the website if you want. Once you're there, you can sign up for free. I mean, you can try it for free, but if you have an account already, just go ahead and log in and you'll be unlocking most of these features. But some are a bit behind some paywalls, but that's okay. You can start with a chart of accounts. You can set your taxes. You can link your bank accounts. You can add opening balances, create invoices and bills, reconcile transactions, and run reports, or pretty much up to you on which kind of apps you want to use. There are a lot of apps that's available over here. You can just download them on what you want. You can do a website, the sales, finance, pretty much on whatever's available for Odoo over here. So you can explore. Maybe the thing you want is directly in the website or Odoo itself. So if that's the case, then that will be good for you. Again, you can just try it for free if you want to. So there's no credit card required, and you'll have instant access if you want to do so. So Odoo itself has accurate double entry accounting, strong invoicing and billing features, bank sync and multi-currency support, integrated with pretty much other Odoo modules, so it has good reporting and dashboards. But the setup can be a bit difficult, especially for beginners, but once you get used to it, it will be worth it if you're using it often. There's also a limited free version, as mentioned. You can use but it is limited, so that is a con. You will need to pay a bit to be able to use it more longer, but it will be worth it depending on how you use it as a user. So it may need extra modules or consultants. But anyway, this can be slow with heavy data, so make sure you put that in mind. Whatever you're doing, and Odoo Accounting is worth it if your business needs more than basic bookkeeping and you want everything integrated in one system. So it's powerful and flexible, but the setup and cost may be too much for small businesses that only need simple accounting. So make sure you know the actual costs and pretty much consequences if you use this. But again, there are still pros to it, pretty much more than the cons. Well, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.